video is about a place in our backyard that we turned into something beautiful. Now, one day, a rainy day, I was looking out into our backyard and thought, oh man, I really need to do something about those trees that have died, clip them back. That bird bath hasn't worked in years, and our fence is about ready to be replaced. That sounded like a lot of work and not a lot of benefit for that work. So I had this idea. I thought about a pergola, and I started seeing all of these pallets behind the big box stores and the hardware stores. And I thought to myself, oh, we really could do something with these. Now I know that pallets are poo-pooed when you think about doing a project, and people make fun of what you can use pallets for. But I was like, they're just piles of them all over the place. We really should be able to do something with these. Now I started asking around. Didn't seem like anyone wanted to give me these pallets, but I was lucky and found a nursery that was willing to give me some. So we started to get to work, started to get the fence ready, lay in the post, and I had to pull out that bird bath. And as you can see, my grandiose muscles really didn't do the job, so I had to call in the big guns and ask for help. My husband was a tremendous help in this project. We were able to get things laid out, put up, and really it started to take some shape. We had to do some research on brackets. How were we going to get things to stay in place? We came up with this idea, and it really seems to have held up really well. Now, all of the pallets that I got look like this, and I was like, oh, that's too bright. I heard that you could take some steel wool and some white vinegar and gray them out. Now make sure you really use the right steel wool, not the Brillo pad that I started with. That was a mess. But as you can see, those pallets really turned out well, and I really like how our project ended up. I really think we created something beautiful, and I'm very proud of the work that we did with our pallets. Thanks so much for watching.